Hi everyone, this is Guilherme, and today we are going to talk about the job market in cloud computing and the importance of certifications. So, welcome and let's get started. So, cloud computing is an ever-evolving field, and keeping up with trends and developments is crucial to ensuring career success. With the growing popularity of the cloud, many companies are looking for professionals who are specialized and trained in their technologies. Computing certifications come in. They serve as a proof of competence and knowledge in cloud technologies, making the professional more attractive to companies. In addition, certifications are also important to ensure the quality and security of cloud projects, since many of them deal with sensitive and confidential information. Therefore, if you are interested in pursuing a career in cloud computing, investing in certification is a great way to stand out in the market and ensure professional success. Don't miss the opportunity to upgrade and stand out in this high-demanding field. Have you noticed how technology is increasingly present in our lives today? And the cloud, of course, is one of the main trends in the digital world. Therefore, it is essential to be updated and to know the main certifications in this sector. In this field, in this video, we'll be talking about the importance of these certifications in the job market in cloud computing and how they can be the key to professional success. So stay tuned and good assisted. The cloud computing sector has been growing rapidly in recent years and has shown itself to be increasingly relevant in the job market. According to research conducted by IDC, global public cloud revenue is expected to exceed $400 billion in this year, 2023. Furthermore, the cloud public sector is expected to grow at a compound annual rate of 18.4% through 2013. The cloud has become increasingly popular because it allows companies to store and access their data more efficiently and securely. In addition, the cloud also allows companies to access applications and services remotely, which is a significant advantage in an increasingly mobile and connected world. The demand for professionals trained in cloud computing has increased in parallel with the growth of the sector. According to job site Indeed, cloud-related job postings have increased by 37% over the last 5 years. Additionally, the average salary for a cloud professional is significantly higher than the industry average. In addition to the growing demand for professionals trained in cloud computing, another important factor to be considered is the ability of these professionals to adapt to the constant changes and evolution of cloud technology. The cloud is an area in constant evolution, and to remain competitive and updated, it is necessary to always be updating and training. Computing certifications are an excellent way to ensure that professionals are always up to date to the latest trends and technologies. In addition, certifications also help validate the skills and competencies of professionals, making them even more attractive to companies. In summary, the cloud computing sector has grown rapidly and has shown itself to be increasingly relevant in the job market. The demand for trained professionals in the cloud has increased, which has led to an increase in the salaries of professionals in this sector. The purpose of this video is to explore the job market in cloud computing and highlight the importance of certifications for professionals. In recent years, the cloud computing sector has experienced unprecedented growth, and the demand for trained professionals in this area has increased significantly. However, entry into the cloud computing job market can be competitive. That's why certifications are so important for professionals in this field. Certifications demonstrate to employers that you have the skills and knowledge needed to perform your job efficiently and safely. In addition, certifications can also help professionals stand out from the crowd of applicants. So, let's explore the various certifications options available to cloud computer professionals, including those offered by leading cloud providers such as AWS, Azure, and GCP. Each certification has its own requirements and areas of expertise, and we will discuss the benefits of each. Additionally, we will address the benefits of having a cloud computer certification. In addition to increasing the chances of getting a job, certifications can also lead to faster promotion and a higher salary. According to recent research, certified cloud professionals can earn up to 20% more than their non-certified peers. Computing certifications can also help professionals keep up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the field. This is important because the cloud industry is highly dynamic and ever-changing. Through certifications, professionals can continue to improve their skills and increase their expertise. In summary, the purpose of this video is to explore the job market in cloud computing and highlight the importance of certifications for professionals. This video will also introduce the various certifications options available and help professionals choose the right certification to achieve their career goals. So let's talk about the job market in cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology that allows you to access and store data on remote servers over the internet and has become increasingly popular today. It allows users to access applications and services from anywhere without worrying about maintaining servers or local hardware. In addition, cloud computing allows business to quickly scale their storage and processing capacity without spending a lot of money on expensive equipment. There are several types of companies that use cloud computing, including small and medium-sized companies, large corporations, educational institutions, government, and non-profit organizations. Some of the most well-known companies using cloud computing include Amazon, Microsoft, Google, IBM, and Salesforce. The sectors that most hire professionals specialized in cloud computing include information technology, finance, healthcare, retail, and logistics. In the information technology sector, companies are looking for professionals who can help implement, manage, and optimize their cloud computing infrastructure. In the financial sector, companies are looking for professionals who can help ensure the security of their sensitive data. In the healthcare sector, companies are looking for professionals who can help ensure the privacy of patient data. In the retail sector, companies are looking for professionals who can help manage their e-commerce systems. And in the logistics sector, companies are looking for professionals who can help manage their inventory management systems. Cloud computing offers a number of advantages over storing and processing data on local servers. In addition to being more affordable and scalable, it is also more secure and reliable, as cloud computing companies use high security standards to protect user data. And instead of investing in cutting-edge hardware and technology, companies can focus on their core business and let cloud computing providers take care of their IT needs. With the growing popularity of cloud computing, it is important for IT professionals to specialize in this technology and stay current on recent trends and developments. In addition to opening up new job opportunities, specializing in cloud computing can help professionals stand out in the market and meet companies' demands for innovative and efficient solutions. In general, companies are looking for professionals who can help them gain competitive advantages, become more efficient, and ensure the security of their critical data. And cloud computing is becoming an increasingly important tool to achieve those goals. The demand for professionals specialized in cloud computing has increased significantly in recent years due to the increasing adoption of the cloud by companies in all industries. According to a recent survey, the forecast compound annual growth rate of the cloud computing industry will reach 20% approximately by 2024. This means that the demand for skilled cloud professionals will continue to grow at a fast pace. Salaries for cloud computing related positions vary widely depending on the skill level and experience of the professional, as well as the geographic region. However, generally speaking, cloud specialists are highly sought after. They tend to earn competitive salaries. Some of the most in-demand roles in the cloud computing space include cloud architect, cloud engineer, cloud administrator, and cloud developer. According to a recent survey, average salaries for those positions range from $120,000 to $170,000 per year. In addition, many of these positions offer additional benefits such as bonuses, health insurance, and retirement plans. In summary, the demand for professionals specializing in cloud computing is increasing rapidly, and salaries for cloud-related positions are highly competitive. This means that the cloud computing field is an excellent career option for those with skills and experience in the field. The technology sector has experienced steady growth in recent years and is likely to continue to do so for the coming years. The rapid evolution of technology and increasing demand for innovative solutions are driving the growth of the industry. Advances specialized in artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cloud, virtual, and augmented reality, among other technologies, have transformed the way we live, we work, and relate to each other. In addition, companies are increasingly looking to technology solutions to improve their efficiency and increase, of course, their competitive salaries. The technology sector also has great growth potential in emerging markets such as Asia and Latin America. The rapidly expanding economy and increasing purchasing power in the region are creating new business opportunities and increasing demand for technology. Additionally, the COVID-19 pandemic has further accelerated the adoption of digital technologies such as remote working and online shopping, which should continue to drive growth in this sector. In summary, the technology sector has enormous growth potential and is likely to continue to expand in the coming years, driven by technological advances and increasing demand for innovative solutions. So, let's talk about the importance of IT certifications. Certifications are an important way for professionals to stand out in the job market and keep up to date with the latest trends and technologies. They prove their competency and ability in certain areas of activity, making them more attractive to employers and increasing their chances of professional success. In addition, obtaining a certification can increase the professional's confidence and self-esteem, giving him more security in his career. Certifications are offered by recognized companies and institutions, which assess the professional's knowledge and skills in a given area. To obtain them, it is necessary to pass a series of tests and assessments, which assess technical knowledge and the ability to apply it in real situations. Upon achieving a certification, professionals can include this information on the resume, showing the employers that their dedication and specialization in a given area. In addition, certifications are also a way for professionals to keep up to date with the latest trends and technologies. They require that professionals are always informed about news and developments in the area in question, which helps them to remain relevant and competitive in the job market. In addition, having a certification can open up new job opportunities and allow the professional to differentiate himself from other candidates for a job vacancy. Companies are increasingly looking for a qualified and specialized professional in certain areas, and a certification can be the decisive factor when hiring. Another advantage of certification is the fact that they are recognized all over the world, which facilitates professional mobility. A professional with a certification may find it easier to find work in other countries, as their competency has already been proved by a recognized institution. In summary, certifications are a valuable way for professionals to stand out in the job market, increase their chances of success, and stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. They are an important investment in anyone's career and professional life. Certifications are a valuable way for professionals to stand out in the job market and stay current with the latest trends and technologies. They prove the competency and skills of the professional in certain areas of activity and can increase their chances of professional success. In addition, obtaining a certification can increase the confidence and self-esteem of the professional, giving him more security in his career. There are several international recognized certifications, each focus on different areas of activities. So, for example, the AWS Security Exam, the security specialty, is focused on security and all the security related for the AWS Cloud. So, in summary, certifications are a valuable way for professionals to stand out in the job market and stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Certifications are also a valuable way for professionals to stand out in the job market and keep up with the latest trends and technology. It's not just a mere addition in the curriculum, but a way of providing professionals skills and competencies. According to statistics, companies are increasingly looking for a certified professional, and obtaining a certification can positively impact a person's salary. According to a survey conducted by Global Knowledge, more than 70% of the companies believe that certifications are important when hiring professionals, and more than 60% of companies say they prefer to hire professionals with certifications relevant to the position. In addition, a survey by Certport shows that 90% of employees believe that certifications are a valid way of proving candidates' skills. In addition to increasing the chances of being hired, certifications can also have a positive impact on salary. According to Global Knowledge, the average salary of a certified professional can be up to 20% higher than the professional without a certification. In addition, professionals with a certification tend to have more opportunities for professional growth and career development. In summary, certifications are a valuable way for professionals to stand out in the job market and stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Statistics shows that companies are increasingly looking for certified professionals, and obtaining a certification can positively impact salary and opportunities for professional growth. Obtaining a certification is a process that requires planning and dedication. The first step is to choose the certification program you want to obtain, taking into account your skills, your interests, and professional goals. It is important to verify that the chosen certification is recognized in the labor market and that it meets your needs. Once the certification program has been chosen, it is necessary to register and pay for the certification fee. Next, you should familiarize yourself with the program requirements, including required courses and required study hours. It is important to dedicate enough time to study and prepare for the exam. Once you have prepared properly, you can schedule and take the final exam. The exam consists of a multiple choice question and can be taken at a testing center or online at your place. It is important to arrive at the exam location in advance and have everything you need to take the exam, such as a valid ID. If you pass the exam, you will receive your certification. Certification is proof of your skills and knowledge and can be used to improve your employment opportunities or career advancement. Additionally, many certification programs require periodic renewal, which means you have to keep learning and upgrading to keep your certification current. In short, getting certified involves choosing the right certification program, applying, studying, scheduling, and taking the final exam and passing the exam to earn the certification. It is a process that requires dedication and planning, but which can be very rewarding and help to improve your career. There are several training and study options available for people who want to acquire new knowledge and improve your skills. One option is, of course, the traditional face-to-face training where people gather in a classroom with an instructor to learn face-to-face. This type of training is ideal for those who prefer to interact face-to-face with an instructor and other students, as well as those who learn best in a structured environment. Another option is online training, where people can access courses and training via the internet anytime, anywhere. This type of training is ideal for those who want to learn at their own pace, without worrying about schedules or commuting, and for those who need to balance work, family, and other responsibilities. In addition, online courses offer access to interactive resources such as videos, simulations, and group discussions, which make learning more dynamic and engaging. Finally, there is the self-study option, where people learn on their own without being accompanied by an instructor. This type of training is ideal for those who are self-disciplined and confident in their ability to learn on their own, and for those who wish to learn at their own pace and according to their specific needs. Self-study can include reading books, doing practical exercises, participating in online communications, and using digital resources such as educational apps and games. In summary, training and study options include face-to-face, online, and self-study courses, each of which has its own benefits and challenges. It is important to choose the option that best suits your needs and preferences to get the most out of your learning. When it comes to becoming certified in a particular field, there are many helpful resources available to help professionals prepare. Some of these resources include online forums, communities, and study groups. Online forums are platforms on the internet where people can discuss issues related to a particular area of interest. Those forums are a great way to learn from other professionals who are going through the same certification process, and to gain valuable information about exams, best practice, and common challenges. In addition, the forums also provide the opportunity to ask questions and get quick answers from experts and other community members. Study communities and groups are another useful resource for professionals seeking certifications. These groups can be formed in person or online and offers members the opportunity to learn together, share knowledge, and prepare for exams. These groups are a great way to motivate and maintain interest, as well as providing a support network to help navigate the challenges that arise during the certification process. In addition to online forums, communities, and study groups, there are other useful resources such as webinars, online tutorials, educational apps, and games that can help professionals prepare for certifications. It is important to explore all available options and choose the ones that best suit your needs to get most of your learning. In summary, online forums, communities, and study groups are just some more of useful resources available to professionals seeking certifications. By exploring all the options and choosing the ones that best meet your needs, you can succeed in your certification process and achieve your professional goals. So, how to use certifications in the job market? Professionals can use their certifications to stand out in the job market and expand their employment opportunities. A certification can be seen as proof of a professional's competence in a given area, making them more attractive to companies looking for qualified employees. To get the most out of your certification, it is important to keep it current and visible to the world. Here are some tips to help you. Update your online profile. Be sure to include your certification in your LinkedIn profile, CV, or other professional platform you use. Include a detailed description of your certification, including the name of the certification, the organization that awarded it, and the skills you gained from it. Networking. Attend industry events. Meet other professionals who share your area of interest and build relationship. Join online news groups or social groups such as LinkedIn groups to improve your networking skills and stay current on the job market. Participate in industry events. Participating in conferences, trade shows, and workshops related to your area of expertise is a great way to expand your knowledge, network, and stay up to date on the industry trends and innovations. Remember that by staying current and involved in your field, you can make the most of your certification and stand out in the job market. Keeping your certification current and visible to the world can have a significant impact on your career. Here are some benefits of doing this. Promotion opportunities. An up-to-date certification can highlight your competency and skills in a particular area, making you more attractive to companies looking for qualified and empowered employees to advance their careers. Salary increase. A certification can certainly increase your attractiveness to employers, increasing your chances of getting a higher salary and better benefits. Recognition by employers. By keeping your certification up to date, you demonstrate to employees that you are dedicated and committed to your career and field of expertise. This can increase your visibility and value to companies. In addition, it is important to get involved with the professional community and participate in forums, groups, and associations related to your area of expertise. These interactions can help you stay current on the industry trends and innovations, enhance your networking skills, and build relationships with other professionals. In summary, certification is a valuable tool for professionals who seek to stand out for leverage their career in the job market. By keeping your certification up to date, visible, and participation in the professional community, you can access opportunities for promotion, salary increase, and recognition for employees. This is a valuable investment in your career and professional future. So let's talk about current trends in cloud computing, one of the fastest growing markets in technology. One such trend is the increasing adoption of containerization technologies. But what is containerization? In short, is the creation of isolated environments to run applications, which provides more security and flexibility. This has become increasingly popular with companies as it enables them to develop and deliver their applications faster and more efficiently. Another important trend in cloud computing is the evolution towards multi-cloud architecture. Enterprises are realizing that they don't need to rely on a single cloud platform and are adopting multi-cloud strategies where they use different cloud providers for different workloads. This offers more flexibility, redundancy, and security, but also presents challenges in managing and integrating different cloud environments. So I hope you learn a little about trends in cloud computing. So let's talk about one of the challenges that companies are facing today. So challenge number one, data security. The first challenge faced by companies using the cloud is data security. When a company stores its data in the cloud, it relies on a third-party service provider to keep that information secure. This can be a problem, as if a service provider does not have adequate security measures in place, data can be exposed to external threats. To minimize these risks, companies must adopt additional security measures such as data encryption, user authentication, and restricted access policies. Furthermore, it is important to select reliable cloud service providers and evaluate their security procedures before entrusting them with important data. Scalability. The second challenge faced by companies is scalability. Companies using the cloud expert is to be able to handle the growing demand for their services. But to do so, they needed to ensure that their cloud architecture can scale easily. Otherwise, they may experience performance issues and services downtime. To ensure scalability, it is important for companies to leverage elastic cloud architecture and auto-scaling features. Furthermore, it is important for companies to constantly monitor the performance of their cloud infrastructure and implement adjustments when necessary. The third challenge that companies face when using cloud is the complexity of managing multiple clouds. As companies grow and diversify their needs, they may need to utilize different cloud service providers to meet different demands. This can make cloud management more complex and difficult. As we have seen, the cloud offers countless opportunities for business and IT professionals, but it also presents challenges that need to be overcome. Therefore, it is essential that professionals who want to stand out in the cloud computing market are up to date on the latest trends and have specific skills to face those challenges. So, cloud computing is a way of storing, managing, and processing data using remote servers that can be accessed over the internet. This technology is critical for companies who want to store their data in a secure, scalable, and cost-effective way. But like any other technology, cloud computing is always evolving, and to remain relevant in the job market, it is crucial that professionals specializing in cloud computing are up to date on trends and challenges in this area. So, let's first understand one thing. The cloud computing has become increasingly relevant in the job market, and with the widely adoption, this can help professionals to stay updated and prepare for the demand of the job market. So there are plenty of jobs out there for cloud computing, and all of those opportunities that I have been talking about this past 30 minutes, it's about cloud. And when we talk about cloud, we certainly talk about security. So imagine that every new trend in cloud computing will need security. Doesn't matter if it's machine learning, doesn't matter if it's blockchain, doesn't matter if it's in artificial intelligence. We will need security for all of those areas. And if you wanted to stay updated, sign on this channel and stay updated with also my Instagram profile. This is Guilherme Teles, and I see you on the next video.